How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, in the Snapchat settings page, scroll down to the Privacy Controls tab, and under the Privacy Controls tab, you will see the option for blocked users. Simply tap on it, and in this particular interface, you will be able to see all the individuals whom you want and have blocked. So simply tap on the cross icon beside the individual whom you want to unblock, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the yes option you see there, and with this, that particular individual will be unblocked. So this was about how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.